We've been manufacturing premium quality products here in the Danube Valley since the 1970s, and we now specialize in PCBA and module assembly. Our young team brings in-depth knowledge and 100% dedication to their job, as can be seen on this PCB with more than 1,200 components per PCBA, with a pitch of up to 0.3 mm for BGAs. We start by talking to the customer. The earlier we're involved, the better. In this way, we can provide the most economical and creative solution. You can commission us as a full-service partner, from prototypes to series production of small, medium-sized and large orders. As a service provider for special solutions, and as a service provider for modular assembly. We advise our customers on the design and layout of the circuit board or the finished flat assembly on rigid, rigid flex and flexible circuit carriers. After the development process, the PCB is initially designed as a digital 3D twin here in our production equipment design and industrial engineering departments. Once this is complete, the PCB goes into production. Here, our employees work heart and soul for the product, because our goal is to deliver the best possible solution for our customers, and that often involves thinking outside the box. This also helps us get the best out of our state-of-the-art machines. Here, for example, apertures are positioned with an accuracy of ±15 microns on SMD housings. The machine wasn't originally designed for this, but we modified it to do the job reliably with the accuracy and quality just mentioned. Through the innovative use of our machines and the creativity of our young team, we've become technology leaders, and this enables us to succeed in global competition and grow hand in hand with our customers. Multi-point quality assurance helps us achieve this. It starts with solder paste application with the same automated optical 3D inspection accurate to 1 micron as for the final inspection of the solder joints. Rework is checked with a 3D visual inspection. Final testing is done using the in-circuit test, either with the flying probe as here, or with a bed of nails tester. Despite the wide variety of products manufactured daily, we achieve a first-pass yield of 99.7%. Leuze Electronic Assembly, your reliable partner for high-quality electronics solutions. Let's shape the future together.